Something unbelievable is happening right now in the desktop computer market, and if you are thinking about buying a PC, a Mac, or building a custom desktop this year, you need to freeze everything and listen to this carefully. For years, the Mac Mini was treated like Apple's quiet, overlooked budget box. It sat in the shadow of the shiny MacBook Pro and the massive Mac Studio. But over the last few months, tech insiders, software developers, and AI researchers noticed something strange. Mac Mini inventory started mysteriously disappearing from store shelves worldwide. Tech hubs reported massive back orders, configurations vanished overnight, and tech executives secretly admitted that demand for compact desktop computing had completely blown past their highest internal forecasts. People weren't just buying the Mac Mini for basic web browsing or homework anymore. They were buying them in bulk to build local AI server farms, run complex code, and edit heavy 8K video from tiny home desks. And right in the middle of this high-demand storm, evidence uncovered deep inside system code has confirmed what Apple was trying to keep under wraps. The M5 Mac Mini is real. It is entering final launch preparations, and it is built to unleash a level of computing power that should not logically be possible inside a device that fits in the palm of your hand. If you think this is just another basic chip upgrade with 10% faster speed, you are completely missing the bigger picture. What Apple is doing with the M5 generation of Apple Silicon isn't just an incremental evolution. It is a fundamental overhaul of how desktop computers handle memory, artificial intelligence, graphics rendering, and power efficiency. We are looking at a tiny aluminum box that benchmark leaks suggest will match or beat previous ultra-tier workstations, all while drawing a fraction of the electricity and remaining dead silent on your desk. But there is a massive catch that almost nobody is talking about: a global supply crisis and a shift in component pricing that could change the cost of desktop computing forever. In this video, we are going to dissect every single leak, reveal the game-changing architecture of the M5 and M5 Pro chips, explain why AI developers are buying these machines like crazy, break down the pricing dilemma, and give you the ultimate verdict on whether you should hold on to your money, grab a current machine, or wait for the M5 Mac Mini to officially drop. To fully understand why the M5 Mac Mini is generating this level of insane hype, you have to look at what changed in the tech landscape over the last year. For decades, if you wanted extreme desktop power for heavy workloads like machine learning, 3D animation, or high-end software development, you were forced to buy a giant, power-hungry desktop tower with noisy fans, massive dedicated graphics cards, and a power supply that could warm up your entire room. But when Apple introduced its newly redesigned compact Mac Mini form factor, everything shifted. By shrinking the chassis down to an ultra-tiny square footprint with front-facing ports and an engineered thermal system, Apple proved that a tiny box could run heavy workstation loads without throttling. Suddenly, the Mac Mini became the undisputed darling of tech enthusiasts, remote workers, software engineers, and creative professionals. But then came the artificial intelligence explosion. As local AI models, agentic coding assistants, and open-source language models took over the tech industry, developers realized something critical. Traditional PCs with separate system RAM and GPU VRAM were hitting massive bottlenecks. If you wanted to run a complex AI model locally on a PC, you needed a graphics card with massive video memory that cost thousands of dollars. But Apple's unified memory architecture allowed the CPU, GPU, and neural engine to share a single, ultra-fast memory pool. Suddenly, a compact Mac desktop with high unified memory became the ultimate budget secret weapon for running local AI models at blazing speed. Demand skyrocketed so fast that Apple CEOs publicly acknowledged during quarterly earnings calls that demand for compact Mac desktops had completely shattered their expectations. And that brings us directly to the star of the show, the M5 chip architecture. What makes the M5 silicon generation so fundamentally different from the M4, M3, and M2 chips that came before it? It all comes down to how TSMC, Apple's manufacturing partner, is building these processors. The M5 chip is engineered using an enhanced 3nm process node combined with advanced SoICMH packaging technology. In simple terms, instead of just jamming more transistors onto a flat piece of silicon, Apple is utilizing next-generation vertical chip stacking and architectural modularity. This allows Apple to physically decouple and recombine CPU cores, GPU blocks, and memory controllers with insane high-bandwidth interconnects. What does that mean for real-world performance when you turn the computer on? First, it means CPU single-core performance hits unprecedented levels. Tasks that used to take seconds now happen instantly. Web pages render in a blink, code compiles in real time, and heavy audio or photo edits process seamlessly. But where the M5 chip truly leaves competitors in the dust is in graphics.